Welcome, friends, come take a seat. Grab your words and feel the beat. Sing and laugh, it's all okay. Learning English starts today.
Hello everyone, Pete here. Welcome to English with Aho Pete. Today we're focusing on the is and the ra, right? Oh, we go. First, let's quickly review some sea animals. Repeat after me. Seahorse, octopus, shark, whale, sea turtle, fish, dolphin, squid, jellyfish, shrimp or prawn, seal, lobster, starfish, crab, walrus. Now, let me explain to you how to use there is and there are. We use there is for singular nouns. For examples, there is a shark, there is an octopus, there is one starfish. We use there are for plural nouns. For examples, there are two sharks. There are four starfish. Fancy a challenge? Have a go. You've got 5 seconds to choose the best option. Ready? Let's go. Amazing. You did it well. Wow. Brilliant effort. Nicely done. Top marks. That's amazing. You are doing well. Keep at it. Excellent work. Brilliant effort. Wow, that's the ticket. Excellent work. That's amazing. Wow, way to go. Top marks. Nicely done. Excellent work. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate your participation. Keep practicing the is, there are, the part of everyday English. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because every week I'll be posting new videos to help you with your English. And if you enjoyed this lesson, give it a like. That's the ticket. Cheers, guys.